Adventures at Bryan's house. Episode 2, Plumbing 2, Episode 7. I am walking over to Bryan with the serrated knife for him so he can cut the pipe. Alright. Are you gonna come get it, or do you want me to throw it?
Crawl in a little bit right here.
Fuck that.
No, put your hand on the piece of wood right there and just toss it to me. I don't care about the flying knife on the front.
I'm gonna throw it at your shoe, okay?
Okay.
Here it comes.
Oh shit.
Did you hit your head?
No, my fucking hair's caught.
Oh, that's bad. Or that must hurt. Ow. Ow, fucking thorn. You're like 2 centimeters from it, Bryan. Don't cut yourself now, big boy. So you're gonna cut the sides of it so it'll slip in there.
I already did that.
So what are you using the knife for now?
To cut the tube to the right length. Or two different lengths, so it's easier to use.
Okay, talk a little bit louder, because I don't know. Just in case, you know.
I just cut a section of the tube. And now you need to put that around that.
Fuck, I keep forgetting. I'm like, after every episode, I need to call Cole, but, like, I always forget.
Why do you need to call Cole?
Because I want to know when he's coming up, dude. I don't know. Because usually at day, I hang out with him. And then at night. What the fuck was that? Hey. What the fuck? Did you hear that?
Yep.
What was that?
I don't know.
Whoa. Sounded like a growling or something. Hold on, I'll be right back. Oh, shit. There's fucking something over here, Bryan. Like, not a dog either. It's in your chicken hen. Or some shit, I don't know. Fuck. Trying to film this from a first-person perspective, as you can see. We will be back in the next episode.